Hello, in this video I will show you how to record screen on OUKITEL WP20. So to record screen on this device you will have to start with scrolling down on your main screen and then move to the next page of your quick access menu. And here you have a screen recorder button and you can tap on that to start recording. And now you can choose if you want to record audio or if you want to show touches on the screen, and then click start. And now your recording is starting. And to save recording, just scroll down to open your notifications and then click stop on your notification and your recording has been saved. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.